Daryl Stone at Collierville Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. I want to show you our new rough country 2020 Gladiator we just had done here. Tell you, it comes with a 9,500 pound winch, has the top light bar, has the corner lights, LEDs on the front bumper, synthetic rope. This is a beautiful vehicle. Comes with a 6-inch lift. The 6-inch lift is a rough country lift. You got dual stabilizer bars in the front, you notice, okay? The way it's better handling, it's not gonna go all over the road on you, but I'm telling you, the 6-inch lift drives like a two-wheel drive. I drove it earlier today, drives wonderful. Comes with an 18-inch fuel wheel with 19 and a half Toyo MT tires, a beautiful ride on it. Also, if you notice, you got the side steps, it works also as a rock rail and steps. You come around to the rear, again, we talk about the rough country suspension. It comes with a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So any component breaks on you, it's covered for 5 years, 100,000 miles. It outdoes any manufacturing warranty out there today. Again, you got the fuel wheel on the rear. What's nice about this rig, they did the Baja package on it. The Baja package comes with a 5th tire that's just like on the ground of all 4. With the fuel wheel, beautiful insert in the bed of the truck. Okay, this truck rides nice. Only at Collierville Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.